Now, here's today's Trader Tip.
I'm Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with your Trader Tip of the day. We have seen a lot of commodity markets make significant gains over the last several months, and one of the sectors that's participated greatly in the great commodity rally that often goes underlooked is the agricultural space, more specifically the grain space, corn, soybeans, wheat. You could also throw cotton in the mix, making multi-year highs as demand continues to be very strong for these markets, lowering the carryout, or basically what's left in the bins. And so how do we kind of ration what we have? Well, higher prices do take care of that, but I think we're coming into a point where we might start to find a little bit of an equilibrium, because with this higher price action, you start to see demand shift off a little bit. Now, does that mean the volatility is going to dissipate and we're just going to trade sideways? Maybe here in the near term, we could potentially see some consolidation, but looking a little further out, we expect that volatility to continue to be there. We're coming into a spring season, which is not all that far away. We're going to have kind of a battle between acres, so to speak. What are the farmers or producers going to produce? What's most profitable for them? And that's ultimately going to kind of put us at the spot to figure out how much grain we have next year. So these are all things to consider. And then the big wild card, obviously, in the spring and summertime for U.S. producers is weather. Will we have any weather scares? There's some concerns right now that we could potentially see hot and dry spring and summer, which could potentially put a limit on what these crops can produce. So these are all things to take into consideration, and we are expecting the volatility in the commodity space to continue, specifically in the grain markets here over the next several months. So buckle up. It should be a fun ride.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.